Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain my presentation for ECP117. Now let me explain it. As we say, I will use CP to copy my old file to my new file. I was write all my code in my old file before. So now it's go to the presentation one, and I use the CD to just get here. Now we use the GDit just go to our programming code, state programming code. This code is basically on lab 4. As we see, we create an array here, and then we create an array here, and then we fill the array. We give each of the values and numbers for each rows and columns, and then we put the calculator array here. It has built by the for to loop. It give each rows and columns a value. For example, the value it become the value minus to the right value. So for example, if I got a 1, it's gonna be 3 minus 2. And then we print the value, and we that is how the C programming code is gonna be. And now let's look at um, actually, we could just put and here, so it will make file didn't close. It will make our to code it easily. So let's look at the make file now. As the make file is very useful to our coding. As we all know, this make file firstly could help us no need to open the GCC every time. Also, this line, this flags minus G minus C minus 4 minus STD equal to C99 minus 03 could help us to find the warning and errors. In the coding, found the warning and errors is very important, and also it will make other to fix bug easily. Um, this minus G is actually used for the program in the connect presentation. This minus 03 is to give the bigger value. The headers, objects, and executable are also very useful. Firstly, for example, the cleaning code here, when we make clean it, we're gonna show this code and tell us it's already clean. I will explain a little bit more in the connect presentation. Now let's look at here. We could put dash code, and this code is actually our executable. And now we could run it. We'll see these values exactly like what I explained. The 1 is get from 3 minus 2, and the 2 is actually get from 5 minus 3. And now let's look at when we make clean. We will see this code is in the make file. It show us it already cleaned. And let's make. When we make, you will see this file again. And when we have the error or warning, it's gonna show here to tell us which line gets the error or warnings. Now we can use the time dot slash our executable code to find the time. Our real time is 0.001 second, which explains this code is run very fast. It only uses 0.001 second to run the start to the end of this project. Now we could just change a little bit thing in our code. For example, we will say the print array and delete array here. Let's change the delete array value. We could just change these rows to the number 500. Now we save it. We make clean here. We make it, and now we put exactly the same code here. Now, as we see, it have the segmentation code. To figure out the segmentation force, we need to use the code called program. The program will help us to find which part is error in the segmentation fault, because the segmentation fault, it will not show any errors and a warning like this. So it's need to be used the program to explain it. So let's put our Xcode table here and our text file here, and let's go to our text file. As we see, this is our text file. We will see here it shows line and 78 and line 90 have the problem. Let's look at it. So for line 78, this is basically what is warning for. Okay, let's look at the line 19. The 19, okay, so let's change this number to its regular number. The reason it caused the segmentation fault is probably because of this number is too big. Now let's say does this work? I save it. We make clean, we make again, and now we put this code again here. Okay, the segmentation fault is a disappear. So the reason cause this segmentation fault is because in the delete array, the rows value is too big, and it caused the memory link broke and caused the segmentation fault. Now the code is just like that's the beginning, everything is run well, and now at this time we can just get add get comment -m and put finished presentation 1. And then we could just push it. However, somehow in my code it's gonna delete something, but like I could just find it back after that. So let me put my names and my password for it. And it just gonna to pushed. Thank you for looking at my presentation today. Have a nice day.